Introducing the new UNIC radio remote control, designed and built specifically for the UM445 spider crane. This innovative, user-friendly remote control boasts the latest technology, enhancing the usability of the crane. In outrigger mode, you can easily configure and level the crane using the auto-leveling feature. The current configuration is displayed clearly, ensuring the crane is ready for work. With simple-to-use controls, state-of-the-art graphics, and a 4.3-inch full-color display, the UM445 radio remote leads the way in the mini crane market. Using the pop-up or construction mode, the UM445 can be easily configured ready for work. Once set up in crane mode, you'll have all operational data displayed in real time. Whether you prefer side views or the dynamic top-down perspective, the UM445 offers you the flexibility to choose the best view for your project. To ensure uninterrupted operation, the remote is supplied with 2 lithium-ion batteries as standard. Whilst the 2.4 GHz radio frequency guarantees reliable performance, the multiple language options make it accessible for users worldwide. And with inbuilt instruction manuals, it comes complete with easy-to-access information whenever you need it. Built to withstand tough environments, the UM445 remote control is IP65 rated, offering protection against dust and water. On-crane charging and storage mean it's always ready for action. When using the crane in variable outrigger configurations, the dynamic top-down view is invaluable. It helps the operator navigate different zones effortlessly, keeping a clear eye on the boom's position relative to the outriggers. With a clear and simple view in all crane modes, the UM445 gives you complete control at your fingertips. The new UM445 radio remote control, simple, intuitive, reliable.